Hello everybody, this is Bruce Olson. I'm with AFMG Technologies, a Berlin-based software development firm. And we're best known for our software called EASE that allows us to do simulation of room acoustics and sound systems. And at the show here at InfoComm 26, we are showing the capability to now do STI in real-time calculations. And so let's take a look at that. Here we have a room that has three sets of loudspeakers in it, along with some front field loudspeakers. And to turn on our mapping, I'm going to turn on show mapping, and here we are taking a look at our direct SPL. I can adjust the gain up and down and see that in real time as I'm adjusting the gain. I can also go and I can look at the STI of this room and see that here in real time. I can come in and adjust my sound level for my noise level and see the impact on the distribution of that STI level. And let me adjust that up and down here a little bit so you can see that as I adjust my noise level up, I am degrading my STI in real time. And I can do this by changing materials in the room or by changing the audience that's in the room, and I can see the direct effects on STI. Let me look at another simpler project here and show you the same thing, where now we can take a look at what are the effects of, for instance, selecting this loudspeaker over here and adjusting its delay. This was something that will also degrade the STI, and you can see in real time the effects of any of your choices of delay systems, loudspeaker systems, audience areas, surfaces, materials on the room, and be able to see their impact in a real time, allowing you to be far more interactive in doing your design work. Again, this is AFMG Technologies at afmg.eu is our website. We're here at InfoComm 26.